US crude today showed signs of recovery. We have seen it hitting 71.3 levels. Earlier in the day, I have mentioned that there is a possibility of a move above 71, and in fact, even if it trades above 71, 71.3, 71.6, and 72 are going to remain greater resistances. Likewise, with natural gas, we have seen natural gas is staying in zone today after a bigger drop yesterday. However, very important to note that it is yet to break below the critical support zone at 2.72, 2.74. Now, what to expect today from oil and gas? Can we expect bullishness here? Can we say that now oil is on the path of recovery with the gap down what we had seen at the beginning of the week? Can we expect it to recover it and likewise with gas, can we say that the bottoming is done and we can look forward to a reversal? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading oil and gas today? We are going to see with the help of charts and indicators. This is the second update for the day, and this is the only channel to give you two updates a day with detailed analysis on multiple time frames and arrive at the levels at which you can take a trade logically, and trade with profits. Subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support that. Let's start. First, we look into US crude, followed with nat gas. Now, see oil on the hourly charts. If you look at the movement here, see it is yet to break below the support zone at 70.2 and 70, and it is only bearish if it breaks below this zone 70.2, 70, and 69.8 also. So let me include this complete zone, and only if you see oil trading below this zone, we can expect it to drop further. And the strongest support for oil is towards $69 levels. Now, see what is happening here. Rise, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement here, and it has just come closer towards 20 period moving average, and also it is respected this channel so far. So yes, I will still not treat this as bullish. What it is doing, it is forming a nice flag, it has hit the lows, possibility of a reversal exists from here, and thus once you see it is staying above 70.8 and 71.3 zone, you can say we are looking forward to a complete gap filling towards 72. Now look at the stochastic. This is dropped, while the MACD, after retracing sharp, it is now crossing over, which is a slight sign of bearishness. So at this point, at least till 71.3, you have to be a bit cautious. Stochastic as the RSI is also come out of the overbought zone, and on the 2 hour charts, the observation is more or less same: higher lows, higher highs, trading in this nice flag formation. It has to come out of this. Thus, it needs to trade below 70.2, 69.8 zone, which will confirm its next move towards 69.5, then 69, which are going to remain a very strong levels for it to break below. Stochastic has dropped sharp. MACD has retraced here. It is willing to cross over for a sell. Right now, it is not yet crossed over. Also, if you look at MACD, it delivers waves. So possibly once it crosses over, we can again look forward to a bottom here. RSI has just come out of the overbought zone. And on the 3 hour charts, important thing to note here, it is under consolidation, higher lows, lower highs. The next candle when it appears, and if you see it is staying above 70.8 and 71.2, you can say that now a complete gap filling has to be there, which is going to take it towards 71.8, 72 zone. Stochastic dropping from the overbought zone, MACD rising, MACD is still bullish, and the RSI hitting the top here looking downwards. On the 4 the observation on the 4 hour charts is more or less same. We have seen it delivering higher lows, higher highs. It is still staying in the zone where this current candle closes is going to be of prime importance. If it closes towards 70.7, 70.8, I will expect that the next candle is going to be again a bullish candle where we can look forward to further highs. But the point to note here is, after the drop here, see oil is trading largely in this bearish channel, and thus once it breaks beyond 72, that is also confirmation of reversal for the near term. So this is something you should keep a note of. I will be waiting for it to just fill the gap, and I will see how it behaves. Possibly the coming week is going to be very interesting for oil. Stochastic here is overbought, while the MACD is rising and the RSI is at top as well. On the Now look at the daily chart. See consecutive bullish candles here, and today it has started with higher lows. It has moved upwards, and right now I can see it is struggling to break further. 50 period moving average giving it a good resistance here. And what we are looking forward to, we are looking forward to a move towards this zone 71.672, and once it breaks out beyond this, certainly that is a good bullish indication. Right now the moving averages are trading bearish, looking downwards, and if you look at the point, see important thing to note, divide this into two. Look at this, it is formed a double bottom here. trying to recover, and once it stays above 72 in the month of November, we can look forward to a greater rise, greater move here on the upside. Stochastic rising here, MACD is converged. I will wait for a crossover that can lead to further bullishness, and the RSI is rising. So before I give you the levels now, I will give, if you want to learn this art of trading, if you just want to understand how the market behaves, how to identify the support resistances, and how to trade profitably, you can be part of my mentorship batch. And if you just want to trade as per the signals, you can be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Connect with me, write an email or ping me over Telegram for your queries related to the services. Join the free Telegram channel for live updates, and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. And those who are looking forward to a broker which offers you a swap free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions, easier withdrawals, you can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. Now, considering this, first thing is I will recommend a buy at uh, 70.8 levels, expect 71, 71.2, and once it stays beyond 71.2, expect 71.6 and 72. Any movement, any breakout beyond 72 is a very good sign for the coming week as well, where we will look forward to another round of rise towards 74, 76 zone. But right now I can say we will talk about today, and today the zone at 71.6 and 72 is going to be critical. Possibilities there that it may achieve, but on the downside, if you see trading below 70.2 and 769.8, you can take a selling entry. Yes, if you see oil trading below 70.2, see it can leave this gap for next week as well. This is possible, and thus we have to watch out today. If you see it below 70.2, you can take a sell. You can expect 70. 69.8 as a very good support levels, and then we wait for 69.5, 69.25, and 69. Till 69 there are stronger supports available for crude oil, and thus till 69 you need to be trading with caution. Take your positions accordingly. Below 69 we are looking forward to 68.6, 68. I do not see that happening today at least, so take your positions accordingly. Let's move to natural. See, gas today has just stayed in zone. Very important to note the support it is getting from 2.74, and thus this has become a stronger support zone. What is happening, every time it is striking to 2.74, it is trying to bounce back, but on the upside I can see it hesitating from breaking beyond 2.77, 2.78 zone, which is going to remain a prime resistance. Thus you have to watch out with caution how it behaves at around 2.7778, which will confirm its move towards 2.8, 2.84. Stochastic rising, the MACD is also rising, trading with divergence and bullishness. RSI just coming out of the oversold zone. Coming to 2 hour, look at the 2 hour charts, a flat base and a recovery here. Thus, if you see it is staying below 2.77, you can buy, expect it to move towards 2.8. And once it stays beyond 2.8, you can look at forward to a little recovery. See the movement here, drop, retracement, and then the drop, it could retrace. Even if it tries to retrace, I see that 2.9 is going to be the strongest hurdle for natural gas on the upside, because once it breaks beyond 2.9, we should look forward to a greater move on the upside. Today I think it is going to be difficult for it to do that. Stochastic has retraced. MACD is on the verge of a crossover for a buy. It has not yet crossed over. RSI is also coming out of the oversold zone. This crossover here on the 2 hour charts on MACD may signal a stronger recovery. Coming to 3 hour charts for natural gas, and on the 3 hour charts, if you look at the formation, see the drop here, the reversal sign, and if you look at a drop has initiated, but then we have seen it closing in with moderate or smaller body size, then a greener candle is appearing here. Now once it stays above 2.7778, we can look forward to a move towards 2.8, 2.82, and 2.85 levels here. Possibilities there. Stochastic rising sharp. The MACD has dropped sharp here. It is almost at bottom. I will wait for a crossover for reversal. RSI staying oversold, trying to come out of the oversold zone. On the 4 hour chart, similar observation. A very good support is formed. A reversal sign is there. Possibility of a move upwards exists. Wait for it to stay beyond 2.7778 and then 2.8. Beyond this, we can look forward to good rise. Stochastic oversold. MACD trading bearish. RSI is at bottom. And on the day, now look at the daily charts. Double bottom is done, trying to bounce back, and after double bottom a little recovery can be expected. Possibility of a move towards 2.884 is there. However, do not treat this as a complete recovery or reversal. If you look at the formation, see higher lows are seen, and 50 period moving average again come out to the rescue for natural gas. But I can see it is not yet a complete sign of reversal as long as it stays below 2.9 for the this week and $3 levels for the coming week. Stock stick has come to oversold zone, MACD trading bearish and RSI at bottom. So looking at this, very simple. You can buy net gas as 2.7778 zone, expect 2.8825, 2.85 as the next targets. Beyond 2.85 is where the real bulls will be seen. We can look forward to 2.88, 2.9 as the strongest resistance. Beyond this, you can say the recovery is going to be here and we can look forward to a stronger rise. Chances for this happening appears to be very, very, very less. On the downside, I will recommend, see, I mean a move about 2.9 I do not see, but yes, possibility of a 2.8, 2.82 exists strong. On the downside, sell at 2.73, or rather I'll say 2.7372. Any point of time you can sell here. Expect it to move towards 2.7, 2.68, 2.65. Only and only if you see it trading below 2.65, we are looking forward to a move towards 2.6 to 2.6. See, this is going to remain a greater support zone, and only if it trades below 2.6, we will look forward to lower lows towards 2.5 in the coming week, from where it can again bounce back. So take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel, and have a happy weekend. Do like, share, and comment. Do not miss to watch the weekly review tomorrow, and it is also going to be the monthly forecast for November. Do watch it. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day and a happy week.